Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the question answers. History lesson number 1, the medieval world. Which century marked the beginning of the medieval period? Why? Answer. 8th century marked the beginning of the medieval period because society, economy, polity, religion and culture underwent many changes during this century. Answer is complete. Second question. What do you understand by the Indian culture that emerged in the medieval India? Interaction between North and South India and between the Hindus and the Muslims. The cultural exchange led to the growth of a culture that was above regional and caste differences. It was an Indian culture. The Muslims and the Hindus exchanged their ideas and they interacted. This led to an increase in the trade and the rapid growth of towns and cities. Trade relation developed between the countries. During the medieval period, Islam spread in India. Why are coins and inscriptions important for the study of the medieval period? Coins are important for the study of the medieval period because they gave us dates of important political events. Inscriptions are also important because they gave us the record of the proclamations of the kings. Who wrote Prithviraj Raso? What does it tell us about? Chandabardi wrote Prithviraj Raso. It describes the life and adventures of Chauhan ruler Prithviraj Chauhan. What did Hindustan stand for in medieval times? Answer. In medieval times, Hindustan stood for the Delhi Sultanate and parts of other territories. But according to Babur, he used the term to describe the geography and natural vegetation of the subcontinent. The British also used Hindustan for India. Now the second question is that what were the major historical developments during the medieval period? The major historical developments during the medieval periods. The first one is that there was an interaction between the North and the South India, and between the Hindus and the Muslims. There was a mixed culture, and the Muslims were very powerful. During that time, trade developed. Islam was spread during that time. Third question. List some of the chronicles available for the study of the medieval period. The chronicles. A chronicle is a record of the rule of the kings and the life of the court. Prithviraj Raso, Akbarnama, etc. How are travelogues an important literary source? Travelogues give us a lot of information about the places that travelers have visited and the people they met. Travelogues and writing are very valuable source for reconstructing the history of the medieval period. Some of the important travelers are Marco Polo. Then comes the Sir Thomas Roe.